Hi, it's Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and I wanted to talk to you about some myths, misnomers, and sometimes some shady practices that people in the mortgage industry sometimes can convey on the general population. And so, one of the things I'd like to talk about today was basically a credit pull. So, we all know that credit is extremely important, especially when buying a house. However, there are some loan officers out there who, after they pull your credit, they will try to scare consumers into not having another mortgage company pull their credit, and they try to facilitate this by saying, oh, it's going to drop your credit scores, your credit is going to be trashed. You really don't want to have that done. I want to tell you that that's not necessarily the case. And the reason being is because that credit pull is going to be good for the institution that pulled the credit for 120 days and sometimes longer. And so, in essence, there's a very long window out there to where that mortgage company that pulled your credit, that is their credit score. That's a credit score that they're going to be able to use regardless if another mortgage company pulls the credit. So, the question is, why is it that they would tell people this? The truth is, they don't want consumers to shop interest rates and other mortgage companies. And so they know that if you call another mortgage company and say, well, I want to know what your rate is, without really being able to pull that credit, a mortgage company is just guessing because there's so many different variables involved in determining what the interest rate, program, and cost is going to be for a consumer. So with that, just know that if you're being told to not allow anyone else to pull your credit during the process, more than likely it's because literally they don't want another mortgage company to be competition. I can tell you it's very important to actually talk to other mortgage companies. For example, when we pull someone's credit, the reason that we pull that credit isn't just to basically put together a simple option for them, but what we're in essence doing is we're gathering all those pieces of the puzzle and we're matching them with all of the different internal investors that we have access to. So some investors will sometimes give discounts depending on vocation. There's doctor programs, there are veterinarian programs, teacher, firefighter, police officer programs. There's some investors out there that will sometimes give discounts depending on who your employer is. There's other specialty programs and grant programs that someone may qualify for. But the only way to truly know what the best option is going to be is for us to pull credit, gather all the pieces of the puzzle, so to speak, and then match that information up with all of the different investing options. So if you're out there and you'd like someone to kind of give you a second opinion, see what some of the investing options are, we'd be more than happy to do that for you. Don't let anyone scare you when it comes to a credit pull. That mortgage inquiry that the other mortgage company has already done on your credit, it's going to be good for 120 days. So don't let them scare you. If you do have any questions on that, please give me a call. I'd be more than happy to discuss at length. 972-672-3246, and I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate. Thanks.